Hey everyone, hope you had a nice long weekend away from school. You had some time to relax, get things turned in. If you did not relax, it is going to be a good day for you in individual fitness because we're going to talk about relaxation, and that will eventually lead us into a yoga workout where we focus on relaxing. So today we're going to talk about learning how to relax since it is a skill like anything else. Okay. So, today is just an academic day. There's going to be no workout. So, we're just going to go through this content quickly. And then you'll have an assignment and you'll turn that in. Okay. And then you'll be done for today. So, for the academic content, we're talking about relaxation tips. Okay. So, there are 6 things right here that we want you guys to focus on to help you relax in all areas of your life. So, again, this doesn't just relate to doing it during a yoga video, but you can do it whenever you want. So the first one here is exhale. While focusing on long exhales, it puts your body in a more relaxing state by calming your nervous system. So we breathe all day long, right? But how often do you actually focus on your exhale and how that's affecting your body? Okay, it really does slow down your heart rate and then helps you focus your mind, which is the next one. So I know that I use the exhale one a lot when I can't fall asleep at night. And my mind wanders in 100 different ways. I just focus on my breathing out and I try to get like 10 breaths in. And I think on average, like in those 10 breaths, I yawn about 3 times. So it just really calms you down, even when you're just laying in bed and you think that there's nothing else to stress you out. Okay, so focus on that one. The next one, focus your mind. By focusing your mind on your conscious breathing, you are able to constructively control your mind without letting it spin. With all these stressors we have going on in our lives, controlling your breathing and direction your mind is going can help you stay calm. Okay, so this is one for me that I feel I am the most stressed out when I have a bunch of things going on and I can't decide which one I need to focus on, especially at night when I know that I'm going to have a busy day the next day. So just focusing on your breathing and controlling your mind and saying like, yep, that is a stressor I'm going to have tomorrow, but making that conscious effort to focus on the now and the moment that you're currently in is going to help you relax. Okay, try to live in the now, in the present, and not in the future. The third one here is minimize external noise. So this will be different for everybody, especially now when you are all at home. Some of you might have siblings from college that have come back, younger siblings that aren't going to school, your parents are all working from home. Okay, there can be a lot of different external factors in your life right now. So trying to find a way to make it quiet, turn down the lights, cut out the television, cut out the cell phones, the kids playing outside. I know I have that in my backyard, the neighbor's dogs barking. Try to do your best to unwind and minimize that external noise so you can truly focus on you and relax. Turn negative thoughts into positive thoughts. So your thoughts become your habits and your habits become your life. So out with the negative, in with the positive. If you're constantly just on a negative reel in your mind, your outlook is going to be negative, your habits will be negative, pretty much everything will be negative. But slowly trying to turn those negative thoughts into something positive. So instead of saying that you have a lot of schoolwork to do, maybe turn it into, well, at least I can do my schoolwork. At least I have the internet to do it. I have the iPad to do it. I have the time to do it. So just trying to find ways to make negative things become positive habits will help you overall relax and just feel better about your day. The fifth one, my favorite, is laughing. So a forgotten form of instant relaxation. Sometimes when you're just in a conversation with somebody and you're laughing and 10 minutes goes by and you forget that those 10 minutes went by, just shows how much laughter and joy can really relax you in whatever's going on. So I know TikTok is a big one right now that I have found to be pretty funny, but watching a funny TV show, FaceTime your funny friend, whatever you have to do, try to find a way to laugh in every day. And then like all things, you have to practice, right? Practicing makes you great. You can't just all of a sudden be the most positive person in your life, right? It's going to take conscious effort every single day to make those improvements and be who you'd like to be. So your last task for today is going to be turning in this PDF. So you're going to download this in Notability. There are 4 questions. So either circle, highlight, or fill out the short answer portion. And you're going to turn it in right here by 11:59 p.m. tonight. All right. Good luck. Go get them.